Hello everyone. Today we will learn to interface MPU6050 gyroscope and accelerometer sensor with NodeMCU ESP8266 and measure its tilt angles. We will monitor the tilt angles on Blynk IoT platform. So we will measure the tilt angles using MPU6050 sensor and NodeMCU. As I have already told you about MPU6050 sensor in my previous video. It's a 6-axis gyroscope and accelerometer sensor. Here accelerometer sends X, Y and Z acceleration forces. We need to convert those forces into X, Y and Z 3D angle to determine the 3D orientation of the sensor. The measured tilt angles data is sent to the Blynk application using Blynk IoT Cloud so that tilting position can be monitored over IoT. We just need NodeMCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, MPU6050 sensor and few jumper wires for making this project. It is very easy to assemble the circuit in breadboard. The VCC pin of the MPU is connected to the 3.3 volt pin of NodeMCU and ground is connected to the ground pin. The SCL pin is connected to the D1 pin and SDA pin is interfaced with D2 pin of the NodeMCU. Now let's start the Blynk IoT application for remote monitoring. Blynk is an application that runs over Android and iOS device to control any IoT based application using smartphone. It allows you to create your graphical user interface for IoT application. So we are going to set up the Blynk application to monitor MPU6050 angles over Wi-Fi using NodeMCU. So first of all, install the application and sign up with your Gmail account. Click on create a new project and provide name to your project. Now choose the NodeMCU board. Choose connection type as Wi-Fi, then click on the create button. The Blynk authentication token is sent to your registered email address. We will need it later on the programming. Now click on the plus icon on the right top screen and search for gauge, and 3 of them are added to the screen. Name the first gauge as a angle X and set the input pin to the virtual pin B2. Choose the value between 0 to 360. Write a label as degree and refresh rate as 1 second. Similarly, do the same for angle Y and angle Z, but make sure the input pin for angle Y is set to virtual pin B3 and virtual pin B4 for angle Z. Now the Blynk application setup part is completed. Now let's move to the programming part. We need a few libraries to compile this code. Download the ESP8266 development board library and the Blynk library for NodeMCU from the description of this video. Here you need to provide the Blynk authentication token. Also provide your Wi-Fi network SSID and password credentials. Now select your NodeMCU board from the tools menu and also select its COM port. Upload the code to your board, and once the code is uploaded, you can click on the serial monitor to check the output. Sometimes you need to press the reset button on NodeMCU to get connected to your Wi-Fi. Now when you tilt your MPU6050 gyroscope and accelerometer sensor, the system detects the change in the angular position X, Y and Z axis. The same tilting angles can be observed on the Blynk application as well. So that's all for today's video. See you soon with more exciting projects on future. That's me Elson signing off for today. Bye bye.